bà đi nó không cho ăn được xe vậy ấy vậy we're at New Road Saturday morning we taking a walk down Vreed-En-Hoop some car wash going on over there. Now 9:30 Saturday morning. Maybe new business going on. I'm take close? Yeah. Oh, you know, you do the accounts or?
You know my time here. What?
You tried the food already? Fried chicken?
Yeah. Huh?
GNC fried chicken. You want the plantain chip? Yeah, careful, I think a slice here.
I got two. Your mother send you original one? And the girl and she can buy one.
Oh.
Yeah, that's in Shabbat.
Man lock bolt here.
Lock apart. This is something.
Lock again and shiny. Morning.
To the very best sun.
Yeah, this again went. That's no problem. There you go. Waterproof boot.
Good.
Yeah?
That can be real good.
Yeah.
That's why I get one and
you got coach.
We got front.
Yeah, it's okay.
Hey.
Huh?
We are Vishnu busy, right?
Hey, you gotta go over here.
black white but see ada outfit dia bhai
Oh, check it out.
that is
Which
the
one?
outfit
Which one you like? Hey, yeah, rest yourself, boy. Wait there, boy. Hey, Vishnu. Hey, look at that, boy. Still got his size, boy. Still got
I get thin.
So is everything.
I get just taking a stroll and mind tell me come and watch what you put up here. Smooth. Yeah, morning.
The man quit smoking. How you think the man looking? So.
Always without things.
Sorry, man. Sorry. I make a mistake.
Watch.
What?
Me still a smoke. You left you been a do. Yeah, more back.
So where you live now? Same place?
No, me there in Pondy Estate in the dam the wife me had.
Oh.
Is that it?
Okay.
And I'm me alone there in the house.
For us.
Yes,
You got girl.
We got here. And son, watch a lamb me see you. The last time me see you
was when by that long.
right to home there. For years.
Yeah.
Morning.
You go down port right now. Nobody now.
Bye.
You got the inspector there, boy.
Yeah.
I'm blowing before he slowed up. Yeah.
Dám bỏ những kèo mềm dày đấy.
Yeah, mà mình
You take care. I can come in. The safety, I can come in for you.
Yeah,
So
man.
you can still next week morning here.
Yeah. All right, good. Yeah,
Right?
yeah. What that?
Glass of the toast, till I am a killer, gun pop off the most. Rich long time, we not chat on the boss. But we no mix our finger. Remember we full of shit. Run the world.
Ready for that job.
What's the gap, man?
Never forget people and body. One thing, never forget people and body.
Yeah. Pass strong, boy.
Yeah, boy.
You like Anand? You like Anand? Aí eu água aí, eu água baixa para você.
Rough video.
Itu gelik saya tu ini.
Pode tudo até maxi.
Cái gì ra đấy? Cái ra không có đồ đâu mà qua. Hey.
You want me? Alright, come on.
No, Vishnu, you know Vishnu. Yeah, I'm going to call for you. Let me around here. Where you putting this one?
This is
chicken?
Yeah.
Oh,
Molly.
you can see the thing out.
This is. Yeah.
One to do?
Yeah,
Let's give all the secret there.
Take 2 one is the chicken season. You got chicken season? Take on 2 pack.
Why am I walk this chicken season alone?
Yeah, exactly. Usually, I don't know what else more you put.
All purpose mean everything in there, no.
Yeah.
So where you want me to do?
You put that too.
All too.
You know, take anyone, man. They both have a lot of sauce. Take out your wallet, take out your wallet.
Hey,
Here? Hey, where you open up people?
not me. Accident. Because of
Come out one of them. That's what you want to say. Read it.
Can I get one?
You want one?
I'm just kidding.
okay.
It's a headache, huh? Walk fast đi bảy, có sao con? Đấy tình cái hay mấy hả? That's no. There we go. See you down at Ram Supermarket there. Never. Again.
Yeah, you like it.
All right, later.
Yeah, come on, I'll take care. Rain over. Bless him, Mori. There we go.
Yeah, see why you walk with I'm left here again. Rain up on anything. Very good.
Thank you,
What? This is the fish yard without fish. This is fish yard without fish, right?
No fish. Tomorrow fish?
Yeah, tomorrow.
All right. Come back with some high water. I remember.
I want to go with you.
No, you can't say. That thing what you want, right?
What?
So, yeah.
You don't manage.
You can't manage.
Yeah, big.
You can't manage Anna, you can manage something.
I'm not sure say you don't put me in jail for you, right?
But you come out, Mama. You shut down and stay in Alabama. What the line of the balance?
Public bank ka line up there, boy. Kites. How much I want to say, boy? The one in your hand. 2,000? Okay. 16. All right. Can you hit tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go up here like a plastic thing now for the weather. What a man.
Hey, what's up?
You know right?
It's not better for snow cone by rain.
Kapay na pa sa mura.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy, one there.
Yeah, can see you later.
You've seen everything.
Yeah.
Go on.
Huh? Yeah, kites. Yeah.
On the bar, let's try it.
Okay, sama.
Dia show di mana dia mau pegang pen ini.
Another one day, what?
River,
Body in a hurry. Nourish.
Very for this road. Really, Guyana, the Manaki wrong by. Little bit more until you know, don't say you jump, you're gonna get jump with a mirror, no?
Yeah.
And you would want to use you.
Yeah, you want me to pay for your mirror. You're trying to.
And it's a drive for the park. Yeah, that people is saying.
Alright guys, so that's a little walk out there Saturday morning on your road, Vreed-En-Hoop. So you see the action here. Remember to comment, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Going to prepare for the rain right now.
Yes, you know.